Hello everybody, today we're looking at the sound shh. My turn, shh. Your turn. My turn, shh. Your turn. My turn, shh, shh, shh. Your turn. We're now going to have a look at some words with today's sounding. My turn, shh. A, p, s. Your turn. The word is shapes. My turn, sh, u, s. Your turn. The word is shoes. My turn, sh, r, k. Your turn. The word is shark. Okay, so here is what this sound looks like. It's a digraph. The letters S and H and make the sound sh. Okay, so here it is. Sh. Your turn. My turn. Sh. Your turn. Alright, so we're going to go through our speed sounds, and remember this will be hidden among the sounds somewhere. Alright, you need to, when you see it, say the sound and point to it, like this. Shh. Let's go through our speed sounds. The sound is oo. The sound is ow. The sound is zzz. Well, I hope you've pointed because it is today's sound. The sound is shh. We're now going to read through some words that have today's sound in. This time it's your turn first, so try sounding it out and then blending it. Don't worry if you can't quite do it though, because after a couple of seconds I will jump in and show you how to read it. So let's read through some words. Sh-e-d. The word is shed. Sh-i-p. The word is ship. Sh-e-p. The word is sheep. And did you spot the special friends in the middle of that word there? E. It's now time for some writing, so make sure you've got your exercise book and a nice sharp pencil ready to go. So we're going to write sh. First of all, we do s, so slither down the snake, and then h, down the horse, to the hooves, and then up and over its back. So I'll show you again. You slither down the snake, then go down the horse, to the hooves, up and over its back. Have a go at that, please. Next up, we're going to write the letter U, or the sound and to write this one, we go down the umbrella, up the umbrella, down to the puddle. And I'll show you again, down the umbrella, up the umbrella, down to the puddle. Have a go at that one yourselves, please. Okay, so the first word today is the word shut. My turn, shut. Your turn. Okay, count the sounds. Show me your fret fingers. That's it, 3 fret fingers. And point. Sh, t. Okay, have a go at writing the word shut, please. Next up is the word shop. My turn, shop. Your turn. Okay, count the sounds. Show me your fret fingers. 3 again. And point. Sh, p. Have a go at writing that, please. Okay, so our first word was shop. So that's sh, slither down the snake, down the horse to the hooves, up and over its back, and then all around the orange, and p. So give yourself a tick for sh, a tick for and a tick for p. And then next was shut, so it starts with that sh sound again. Then so we go down the umbrella, up the umbrella, down to the puddle, and then t, down the tower, and across the tower. So give yourself a tick for sh, a tick for and a tick for t. How did you get on with those?
Okay, sentence time, and our sentence today is: the shop is shut. The shop is shut. My turn. The shop is shut. Your turn. My turn. The shop is shut. Your turn. Let's have the punctuation. Remember, capital letter and full stop. The shop is shut. Your turn.
Okay, so our sentence is the shop is shut. We start with the, remember that capital T. Down the horse to the who's, up and over its back, finger space, shop, sh, all around the orange, p, down the pirate's plait around the face, finger space, is, s, finger space, shut, sh, and then t, and then a full stop at the end. So that's our sentence. The shop is shut. Full stop. The shop is shut. Full stop. Have a go, please.